discussion on a particular topic. We think that talking about current affairs, sharing each other's opinions, analyzing different thoughts is very important for mental health. We hope you enjoy this very insightful panel discussion today. Today's topic is social media and whether it is an advantage or just a distraction. We have a very enthusiastic panel here today. Shaurya Almil is a student of class 6 in St. Xavier School, Kolkata. He loves character writing and is a great public speaker. Shaurya likes to spend his free time cooking delicious dishes. Our next panelist is Manvi Jain. She is in grade 9 of the Sushila Birla Girls School. Manvi enjoys listening to music and playing various kinds of sport. We are glad to have them here today as our panel. Let's begin. So, Shaurya, are you on any social media platform?
No, currently I'm not on any social media platforms, but I'm thinking of starting an Instagram account.
Yeah, Insta is getting popular day by day now. Like earlier, Facebook was the new Instagram, now Insta is the new Facebook. Manvi, what about you? Are you on any social media platforms?
Yes, I am on a social media platform which is Snapchat, and to be honest, I love it. I was also on Instagram, but I had to delete it due to a lot of screen time.
Yeah, see, even me, I also use Insta so much. Like it takes out so much of my screen time throughout the day. So does it distract you from your work and study? Any social media at all? Manvi?
Well, honestly, it does. Although we tend to disagree, but it does.
Shaurya, what do you think?
I am absolutely correct with Manvi, but like whenever I'm studying, I just switch off my phone and keep it aside. So I don't get that many distractions.
And also just this one quick thing so that you can not distract yourself is to turn on the notifications. Like even though I'm only on WhatsApp and that's not really a social media platform, I turn on the notifications so that when I'm studying, I don't get confused, like I don't get distracted, like oh my god, there's a message, I need to check this or something like that. You can do that.
Yeah, that is a nice idea. Turning off notifications does work, but then see, now I'm so habituated with working on Instagram daily, like 2-3 hours, that I can't leave it anymore. Once I start scrolling on Insta, I just can't leave it. Do any of you face the same problem? Manvi, you're on Instagram. Do you face the same problem?
I was on Instagram, and due to the same reason, I deleted it because I was getting really worried. Everything had come to a standstill. I realized that I wasn't studying as much as I used to. My whole day used to go scrolling on social media. So I deleted it, but currently I'm on Snapchat, and that is as addictive. But yes, I do have a screen time. I try to follow it.
That's nice. I feel as students, especially, we need to control the screen time nowadays because of exams and studies and everything. I think that is very, very necessary for us now. So, what do you like most about social media, Shaurya?
I like the best thing about social media is it's everything. You want anything, you will find it on social media. You will find like in no place.
That is so true. Nowadays, people have this meme going around that anything we learn in school, especially from Indian board schools, what happens? We can also learn the same thing from Google. I mean, we don't have to learn it, we have it at one click of our phone. We just need to Google it.
Yeah, but I don't think that's good for us in the long run because we just always can't depend on Google to tell us the answers, right? So we need to know things. So I don't think that this memes. I don't find it funny anymore because we need to like learn, right? We can't stop learning.
Yeah, the basics, that's true, but I don't think I'll ever need, I mean, it's my stream at least, to know when Ashoka was born and what he did or anything like that. But But see, I have my point of view and you have yours. I'm not saying yours is wrong.
That's-
Which is your favorite social media
YouTube.
app? Manvi,
Because it
yours?
has all of my favorite
Snapchat.
content creators.
Because it has all of your. Sorry.
My favorite content creators.
Can you name some?
Mr. Beast and Nas Daily.
Oh. And Manvi, yours?
Definitely Snapchat. I don't even need to think about this. I love clicking pictures and looking good in them. And Snapchat helps me do so with additional filters. So
But I'm pretty sure you look nice in the pictures. You're very photogenic.
thank you.
But I totally agree with Shaurya. Even I love YouTube, but I think it can be distracting because, like Instagram, you just need to keep on watching it. I can't stop after one video. I
Yes.
just need to watch it the
Yes.
next one.
Yeah, that is true. So, what are some of your favorite content creators that you have explored and discovered through social media, Manvi? Any one or two?
Well, as Shaurya said, I like YouTube. I was on Instagram. I used to follow a lot of celebrities there, get to know everything, get to know all the trending stuff. But currently, I'm not. And on YouTube, I follow Brent Rivera, Ben Azlard, and so many other people. I have such a long list. I've probably subscribed to like thousands of people. I don't even remember.
I did the
Oh,
literally
wow.
same thing, but then I unsubscribed everything because there was like new videos every day, and again the screen time was getting too much. So I
And the
stopped.
number of notifications, if you click on that bell icon, the number of
Yeah.
notifications.
Yeah, that is true. Notifications do take up a lot of your time. And I feel, especially in the last year, through COVID and everything, the content creating field has grown so much. So many new content creators and so many new innovative ideas. I don't think that ever happened on Facebook or anywhere else. Even on Instagram, it's been there for so many years, but finally the use of it is coming recently.
Now, like recently.
Yeah, and the good thing I like about YouTube is that they removed the option where you can see the dislikes. So if you make the video, then only you can see the dislikes. So that's really good. So you can actually be open to the ideas and now not just follow everyone who's disliking the video. So I think that's really good.
That's
Sending
nice.
positivity.
Have you ever gotten scolded for using too much social media? Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, from whom? Mama or Papa? Or both?
Both of them. Yeah, both of them.
What did they scold you about? What did they scold you about?
Like, don't use this much social media. Study for some time now. Go play out with your friends.
The old thing. In our days, we used to go and play football for 2 hours every day. What do you do?
Exactly the
We
same thing.
play,
So
like, we play online every day.
God, it's the same thing. But these days, that's why I go to the terrace 2 hours every day to play basketball so that they can stop. The saying could stop, but it still hasn't stopped. It still hasn't stopped.
Parents can never stop talking about their old days. Manvi?
Yes, definitely.
Wait.
And that was the reason why I had to delete my Instagram account. Although now I understand why it was beneficial for me, but at the time I was really, really pissed at them. But then, yeah, I had to delete it for my good.
I have created 6 Instagram accounts in total. The first 4 I had to delete because subsequently I had to delete because my mom or my dad either said you're wasting too much time on Instagram. Either we'll take away the phone or you stop or you delete your account right now. Gotten so much of scolding for that.
Been
Okay.
there.
Been there, done that. Okay. Now I have a situation for you, not exactly a question. So if in a hypothetical situation, the government of India were to ban all kind of social media, what would your reaction be? An example was TikTok. It was banned because it was a Chinese app in 2020. But supposedly, Shaurya, if YouTube is banned, what would your reaction be?
My first reaction would be like the world's gonna end right now. My first reaction would be that the world's gonna end right now.
And Manvi, for you, I'm guessing Snapchat. What if Snapchat were to be banned?
I hope that never happens. I would be so pissed at the government, and it would be so hard to cope up. Like, even imagining it, I do not see myself in a situation without social media, but then it would change the world for better.
That is, yeah, that is true. But Toby, if I feel that if Instagram was banned someday by the government, I think I'll fled India. I'll leave. I'll go away. I'll run away. I'll
Go
just
to a
go.
place where it's not banned.
I absolutely agree
swear.
with you. I absolutely agree with you.
Yeah, because see, nowadays we need the stimulation, especially for the COVID time when we can't really go out and meet our friends. We need social media to talk to them daily and, discover what they're doing. Stalking is now fun, not creepy.
Yeah, that's
Find it a bit creepy. Stalking is still very much creepy. You can't stalk someone. That's
yeah.
that's wrong. That's downright wrong.
Kind of
Sorry.
fun. Trust
Yeah,
me, it's
I
fun.
mean,
It's fun, but it's creepy. It's really, really creepy.
It's fun for you.
Yeah,
It's
but
not
nobody
fun
knows
for
you're
the
doing
person
it,
you are
right? You have your
stalking.
own
that is true. That
privacy.
is exactly. It's fun for us. It's not fun for the person it's
Yes,
happening to.
yes.
Yeah. Um, So, how do you see social media as an advantage? Like we have discussed, it distracts you a lot and screen time will, affect your homework or everything. But many people see it as an advantage too. So, what advantages does social media have according to you,
I
Manvi?
want to say one thing. If you use it as an advantage, it is advantage. If you use it as a disadvantage, it's a disadvantage.
Wise words. I'll see.
Actually, this is like a
mean,
copy paste
what do you
from
mean?
mom and dad.
Oh, what do you mean if you use it as an advantage? How can you use it as an advantage? That's what my question is.
We can use it as an advantage, like our teachers, like in schools. Online schools, the one teacher can't pay, like one teacher now can't pay attention to all the students.
Yeah, Manvi, what are your thoughts?
The best part of social media is the connection. It is never thanks to social media. It is never bound by geography. You don't need to stay close to a person to talk to them. All you need is a phone and a click and some scrolling. And then it also keeps you updated in every aspect of life, whether it is celebrities, trending topics, news, culture, anything. And also one more thing which I really feel is the best part of social media is the flexibility. All you need is a net connection. You don't you're not bound by daylight, office hours, anything like that. So yeah, that's pretty much all the advantages. And as Dhruv, as Shoya said, uh, if you use it as an advantage, it is an advantage. If you use it as a disadvantage, it becomes a disadvantage. But that is all up to you. You can be one of those people who just use it as an advantage.
I think
Although
that
that's
pretty
really
much
hard, but
sums
then
all the
you can.
advantages up. Yeah, it is hard. It is hard
Very
to
hard.
use without getting distracted. That is true. I think that summed up like all the advantages I can think of. But so I have this kind of a game idea. I don't know if I should call it a game. I just want you all to name whatever social media apps and platforms you all can name. Starting with Shaurya. We'll go one by one and then again we'll go round.
YouTube.
Shaurya, anything, even the commonest ones.
YouTube.
YouTube. Manvi,
Discord, new one.
Discord. I haven't heard of it. Sanaya,
Snapchat.
Okay, Shaurya.
Facebook.
Instagram.
Thank you. I was feeling left out. Sanaya.
WhatsApp, even though I don't think you can count that as a social media
Yeah, you
platform.
can count it as a social media. It helps you chat and connect, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shaurya, any more?
Discord.
Sorry?
Discord.
She already said that, but okay, good job. Manvi?
TikTok could be considered as one for sure.
Hmm. Before it got banned in India, it's still feasible in every other country. So, but whichever had.
Can you call
Sanaya?
Gmail a social media platform? Because I love Gmail actually better than Instagram or anything. Google Mail,
Which social media?
Gmail.
Gmail. You mean Gmail as in your email ID, Gmail?
Yeah, I don't mean that.
I guess you could because in the olden days they didn't have DM or anything. They had email only. So I think yeah, you can
I really
agree.
like Mail, so I don't know why. I don't like Instagram and all that much. I like Google Mail.
होता है सबका preferences होता है. Well, I want to name one more, LinkedIn. It's more professional and work based, but yeah, it is getting very popular now. So
I
yeah.
guess Wattpad could be considered as one too. You do share
Wattpad is
your
more
ideas.
of a Wattpad is more of not social media. It's like Kindle
no,
is like
it's
a reading
stories.
platform though.
Everyone forgot Twitter.
And
Yeah, I
Twitter.
was about to
Just
say
to
that. I was about to say
Just to Twitter.
Even Messenger.
Right, Messenger also.
Pinterest.
Telegram.
Count
Telegram.
Pinterest.
Sorry.
Telegram.
Pinterest, I heard. What is Telegram?
It's like an app like WhatsApp. You can do everything. You can
Okay.
call there, video call, you can text.
Yeah, and the
I was
only
My God, do I
for a
feel old?
second you don't know Telegram.
come on, and the only plus point I think in that is that you can send videos of whatever limit. So there's not this 2 minute 47 seconds limit.
There's not a size limit and a minute time limit. You can search for it today. Yeah,
It's a new thing for you.
Kavita Auntie is writing, the less you all know is better.
That's like
I only know it because my tuition teacher, he told me that he used to he teaches with the help of Telegram, and I was like, what's Telegram? And then he told me, he explained it to me. So that was me 1
I
year ago.
only know
Yeah,
it because
but I still feel, getting like having a general knowledge about all social media platforms is good for you. Like, okay, if
Yes,
you
you
don't
know
use
which
it, that's
one can
fine.
help you in whichever situation you are.
that is very necessary. And Twitter पे तो अभी चल रहा है ना Elon Musk, the NFT and the
Elon Musk,
cryptocurrency.
yeah,
I
Elon
think we are
Musk.
planning a session on that in Y Cafe. We are planning a session for cryptocurrency and NFTs. It's very trending right now, and they are saying that it might just be the future of the world. Imagine cryptocurrency, Bitcoin.
has anyone heard of Viber? It's a Japanese company. Like it's like WhatsApp. It's an instant messaging thing, and it's in about
No.
50 languages or such. I find it really good.
Is it available?
Never heard
Yeah.
of it.
Sana, I can't hear you.
I'm saying I don't think so. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, I guess.
Google
So,
considered as social media or it's considered as internet?
what?
Google.
Social media, definitely social media. The Google search engine is considered as internet, but Google, Microsoft, and all the Google has a lot of other stuff as well.
Yeah,
It's a
so
big
it has
company.
lots of apps now.
multi-
So
Huh.
like Google Meet and
About
everything.
Google Hangouts also. If that
Yeah,
would be considered. You can chat,
Hangouts.
you can video call, everything there.
Hangouts, Classroom. Classroom is really useful these days.
Mhm. School में classroom, yeah, that is true.
Yeah. Practically every school is on Google Classroom.
Huh.
No.
Most of
Yeah,
them.
and
Most of them have a
CIS
Google
Most of
classroom.
them.
Shaurya is nodding his head. Shaurya, your school does not use Google Classroom.
No, it uses Teams, like Microsoft Teams. It is also a very good app. Like
Yeah, that is like an alternative. Yeah.
Alternative.
Yeah, and my brother is in CIS and he also uses some other app. I have no idea what he uses. But I
Some
uploaded
schools
it.
have their own apps.
Hmm.
How great would that be?
Even Zoom was not discovered or talked about that much before the lockdown happened.
Hmm.
Nowadays,
Now
we don't. I don't.
everybody has
Yeah,
Zoom.
everybody knows what is Zoom
Everybody
and
knows.
has Zoom. We're like Zoom karna hai, Zoom karna hai. I'm glad you all enjoyed the session because I definitely did, and it was a great discussion. I learned about so many new social media platforms. Really, I didn't know what Telegram or Messenger. I've never used it, so yeah. And thank you for being here. And I hope that you all can use social media as an advantage further on, because I think it's a very, very important part of our lives. Helps us connect to other people, to our friends, to our family who we do not see on a daily basis, and it also helps share our ideas to the world. I mean, you're just one Insta post or Twitter tweet away from sharing your view to the world, right? So thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Shaurya, and thank you, Manvi, and thank you, Sanaya, for all the help. Okay,
Thank
we'll
you.
end the live session here. Welcome.
Does Shaurya, Sanaya, or Manvi, do they want to say anything?
Just that I
Said
enjoyed a
it all.
lot.
Said it all in the session.
Oh, you
Sure
said
is. He said it all in the session.
You know, the reason why we're here is technically through social media. We
Yeah.
couldn't have connected if
Yeah,
it
we
wasn't
didn't
there.
do
So
That
so.
is true. I wouldn't have
thank you,
met
social
any of
media.
you.
And my
Thank you,
mom even
social
is
media.
watching this, I guess, from Facebook.
Yeah.
Right. So this is live on Facebook. The people who are watching are also watching us through social media.
Thanks
Social media
again,
is
social
like
media.
social media is like a chain, like a train track around the world. It covers every
I
step
feel
of
it's
the
the
world.
most important thing now. Prioritize it. Not over studies. The parents will kill me. Don't.
Yeah.
Please don't prioritize it over studies. If you get less marks, then the parents are going to come after me only. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
End the live. Yeah. Okay.